We need to cover this game kasi itong dalawang teams yung masarap panoorin magtapat. Not in the big market at independent. Kaya alam nating bakbakan talaga. Rain or Shine versus Phoenix Fuelmasters. And to start this game, nagpakita agad ng outside shooting si Brian Santos. Back-to-back 3-point shot sa opening frame. Kaya yung offense ng Phoenix is parang nag-rely na lang din doon, which hindi naging maganda in the long frame sa quarter na ito. Kasi yung Rain or Shine naman, yung usual nila na mga early attacks. Kit Datu is playing well bilang elbow man. Yung pag-read niya sa mga PNR actions is on point. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng mga easy looks, tsaka he knows when to pass sa mga open man, which give them the lead in the opening frame. Sa second quarter, gumana na naman yung outside shooting ng Phoenix Fuelmasters. Nakahit ulit si Brian Santos. Sobrang laking bagay niya sa offense nila kasi nagkakaroon ng malapad na space yung mga guards, and beneficiary talaga yung mga likes ni Richie Rivero sa mga ganitong stretch 4. Dahil lang sa 3 points ni Santos, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalapad yung space ng point guard to operate on this one. Ang daming chances pa nga dyan kay Matthew Daves, pero buti naman nabawi niya. Tsaka si Kai din pala is merong tira sa labas, kaya merong all day si Jason Perkins to have his own creation over Kit Datu. Tsaka minaximize yan ng Phoenix kasi ilang beses silang pumunta sa ganyang actions, which okay kasi nabalance yung pag-attempt sa outside and inside, and we have a close ball game. So third quarter, it was Gian Mamuyak na uminit para sa Rain or Shine, hitting outside shots, getting steals, tapos yung mga transition attack, all in his favor. Sayang lang din for Rain or Shine kasi nawala si Kit Datu to a non-contact injury. And for Phoenix, they are keeping it close because of their outside shooting, which ito talaga yung strengths nila. Tapos pagka nasa outside na yung focus, time for Richie Rivero to attack the basket. And grabe naman tong Pinoy step na to from him. The Ross defense were fooled. And one pa. Close ball game again after 3 quarters. But it was a different story in the fourth quarter. Nagpabaya yung Phoenix. They're allowing 2-minute drives sa Rain or Shine. Tapos kapag shooter naman is nagsasag sila. Kaya dun talaga na-test yung Phoenix sa run ng Elasto Painters. Anton Asistio with 6 3-pointers. Sayang for Phoenix kasi all game long lamang sila sa rebounding. Pero pagdating sa when it matters the most, Rain or Shine pa yung mas masipag to get those boards. And a lot of questionable execution sa Fuelmasters for Sean Manganti. Sobra na sa heat check yung ibang shots niya. It took away the rhythm of their offense. Tsaka yung lineup ender ni Coach Willie Wilson is nag-base siya kung sino yung mga naka-recent points eh. Samantalang yung combinations ng Rain or Shine really outplayed the Fuelmasters in terms of matchups. Overall, an enjoyable game to watch. Sayang lang yung dulo ng Phoenix kasi wala silang pang-ender. Hopefully, they should have their usual crunch players rather than relying kung sino yung mga nakashoot lang. Late pinasok si Richie, and then si RR Garcia naging point of attack ng guards ng Rain or Shine. So, ayun, 91-80.